Working Model 2D version 10 is the most significant update in the product's 30-year history. A completely modernized interface, a powerful new programming API, and for the first time ever, an AI assistant that lets you build simulations using plain English. Let's take a look at what's new. The first thing you'll notice is a completely redesigned user interface. The classic menus and toolbars have been replaced by a modern ribbon interface, organized into 7 logical tabs that group related commands together. The Home tab is where you create geometry, rectangles, circles, polygons, and links, along with points, annotations, and DXF imports. The Model tab is where you define motion, joints, actuators, connectors, contact, and forces. Simulation lets you configure gravity, air resistance, and integrator settings. Results gives you vectors and measurement tools. Controls handles input sliders and external program interfaces. Scripts provides built-in code editors. And View manages your zoom, grid, and workspace layout. On the left side of the workspace, a new browser panel gives you a hierarchical view of your entire model. 4 tabs let you switch between the model browser, which organizes everything by type, bodies, joints, actuators, and so on, the annotation browser for text and images, the measures browser for all your output meters, and the inputs browser for sliders, buttons, and external interfaces. Right-click any item for a context menu with relevant commands, like attaching a point to a different body or setting collision properties between selected objects. At the bottom of the browser, dedicated Run, Stop, and Reset buttons give you instant simulation control without reaching for the toolbar. And the status bar at the bottom of the window lets you change units with a single click and provides quick access buttons for zoom, pan, and fit to window. Everything I've shown you so far, Working Model has been doing for a long time. Thousands of engineers and educators rely on it every day. But now, I want to show you something new, something that changes how you interact with simulation entirely. Working Model now includes an MCP server, that stands for Model Context Protocol, which lets AI assistants communicate directly with the software. What that means in practice is that you can describe a mechanism in plain English, and the AI will build it, configure it, and run it for you. Let me show you. I just described what I want in a single sentence. The AI created the crank, the connecting rod, the slider, all the joints, added the motor, and set up a velocity meter, all automatically. Now it runs the simulation, and I can see the results immediately. That mechanism took me, an experienced user, a few minutes to build manually earlier. The AI did it in seconds, and the user may have never used Working Model before. And I can refine it just as easily. I can say, change the crank to 7 centimeters and run it again, and it updates everything. But here's where it gets really interesting. Say you have an idea for a new mechanism, and you describe it on a rough sketch. You can take a photo of that sketch, send it to the AI, and say, build this. The AI reads the sketch, identifies the links and joints, estimates the dimensions, and builds a working simulation. You can immediately see how the mechanism behaves, validate it, and optimize it. That's a powerful feedback loop that just wasn't possible before. I want to be clear about what this is and what it isn't. The AI doesn't replace the engineer's judgment or the educator's teaching. What it does is eliminate the tedious setup work, the clicking and configuring, so you can focus on what actually matters, understanding the physics, analyzing the results, and refining your design. For students, it lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. Instead of spending half a lab session figuring out the interface, they're running simulations and learning from the first minute. The AI assistant isn't limited to simple models. Through natural language, you can create bodies of any shape. Add mechanical constraints like pins, springs, motors, gears, and slots. Set physical properties like mass and friction. Build fully parametric models with input sliders, run and step through simulations, and create output meters and graphs to measure anything in your model. Under the hood, version 10 introduces a completely new application programming interface. Previous versions could only be controlled through working model basic scripts. Now, any language that supports Windows COM automation can drive the simulation. That includes C++, C#, Visual Basic, and VBS Script. And for the growing community of Python users, dedicated Python bindings are included out of the box. Write Python scripts to create models, run parametric studies, extract data, and automate your entire simulation workflow. The new API is what powers the AI assistant behind the scenes, and it's fully available for your own programs and scripts as well. Version 10 introduces new direct interfaces to 4 external environments: Excel, MATLAB, Python, and user-written DLLs. These aren't file-based imports and exports, they're live, real-time connections. During a running simulation, Working Model can read values from an Excel spreadsheet, call MATLAB functions to compute control laws, execute Python scripts for custom math, or invoke your own proprietary algorithms compiled into a DLL. Data flows in both directions, mid-simulation, every time step. For control system engineers, this is a game changer. Working Model 2D can now function as a plant model for Simulink, enabling true co-simulation. Design your controller in Simulink and let it drive the mechanical system in Working Model. Sensor measurements flow back to Simulink in real time, closing the loop. You can develop and tune controllers, validate algorithms against realistic dynamics, and explore how control and mechanical design interact, all without building a physical prototype. Version 10 is the biggest leap forward in Working Model 2D's history. A modern user interface, a powerful new API with Python support, built-in script editors, direct connections to Excel, MATLAB, and Simulink, and an AI assistant that lets you build simulations by simply describing what you want. Whether you're upgrading from a previous version or discovering Working Model for the first time, V10 is the most capable and accessible release we've ever made. Visit designsimulation.com to learn more, request an evaluation, or upgrade today. Thanks for watching. Now go simulate something.